Hey guys, what's up? It's Imprression here. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to something called Face Halo. Now, this is a new product in the market that I saw and I immediately fell in love with this. Okay, I immediately fell in love with this. Now you guys must be asking, what the hell is this? Let me show you. It's this tiny thing which actually removes your makeup. This is not just any makeup remover.
The most cheapest, the most eco-friendly, the most sustainable, and the most fastest makeup remover ever. I'm gonna show you how it removes the makeup. So all you gotta do is, you gotta make it wet. So
I'm gonna go put it in some cold water or warm water, anything will work, and come back. I've got it here. This is damp now.
wiping my face off. Just one wipe, okay? I just wiped it once. 2 wipes. You can see the product here, okay? So I'll tell you, this is like the only product that I found online that got 5 out of 5 stars. I don't know if you guys know, but I use a lot of foundation in my face. Takes off my lipstick. It even removes mascara, so I'm gonna use the. You see how dirty it is. Like, I mean, look how much foundation I use, and all of the foundation is over here. I'm gonna use the other side just a bit cleaner. Okay, and I use it on my face. It feels like a very soft towel.
Obviously, especially in areas that are like your eye area, don't use it too hard.
So I'm using a fairly gentle, removing any excess makeup that I have. Any makeup that I have.
Ta-da! Came off. Now in front of you, you can see how ugly I'm turning. I know that. Probably my work colleagues are gonna watch this and I'm ready to get ugly in front of them for you. Trust me, I am not the kind of person who buys stuff online, okay? Especially stuff that I feel is expensive. And anything that's more than 50 dirhams is expensive to me. This was one product that really tempted me because I would come every day from work, then I come home and I'm so tired, I don't have the energy to stand or do anything. So I have, and doing the whole beauty routine.
This is something that I used to use before this. This is called cold pressed coconut oil, and this is one of the cheapest ones in the market, okay?
And I would use a bunch of this, okay? I would put a lot of it in my hand, use it twice on my face to remove all my makeup.
Even though what I used to do is still one of the best methods, it's not very eco-friendly. It is expensive because I spend so much of the money in all of these products.
I'm gonna go ahead and wash this with a mild soap and show you how it looks after. So I've washed my face with just water at the moment. Usually when I do this, I do wash my face with a very mild face wash. But right now what I will do, I just want to show you. I'm probably sure it's not a clean towel, but I just wanna
Show you that. Okay, what do you do on my neck? Okay.
After what I did with the face hair thing, I haven't touched my face with a face wash. There's nothing on the towel. Literally nothing. And if you see some spot, I'm pretty sure it's probably from a while ago. So you can do this and you get like really clean face. It cleans your pores, removes all the makeup through your pores, and I don't think a lot of makeup removers do that.
The best thing about it is, as I said, it's sustainable. I'll tell you why it's sustainable. It's sustainable because you can use it for up to 6 years. Just one pad.
If you apply makeup every day like I do, you can just give it like a basic soap wash. Otherwise, during the weekend, you can just put it in the washing machine and it's good to go. You can do around 200 washes. If you want more information, specific information about it, you can just go to the Face Halo website. You don't have to use things like wet wipes and stuff that we all use when we are extremely lazy to remove our makeup after like a night out or after coming from work when you're very tired. So you can just simply use the Face Halo. I'll tell you the price. It's only $22 for 3 pieces. $22.
Even if one piece lasts for 1 year, it's still a big deal. It's still gonna cost you way less than the other products combined.
And the only disadvantage was that this is only available in the US. So if you want to buy this, you need to go on websites and you need to have it shipped from US to UAE, which will cost you a lot. Just for the shipping, a lot of websites were asking me to pay $44. which is twice the price of the product. Look through a lot of websites, see which is a legit website, which has good reviews, and choose that particular website. But apart from that, I'm really happy with this product. I love it, and I would definitely give this a thumbs up and like a 5 out of 5. For people who have like sensitive skin, really sensitive skin, I would ask you to like double check and rethink about a decision to buy this, because I don't think it will work really well with sensitive skin. You would have to be extra careful. Alright, so that's it. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe. Adios.